Brian Joe. So this is a follow-up from another video of the rotten windowsills. So this video is the showing of what we did after, so it's the painting. Remember, this is an office paint. So we were doing the whole room and the windowsills and the window frames. Now, there were walls next to the window and the windowsills. It was in bad condition because that was quite damp as well. So we used a 123 bullseye Zimmer. It was a primer, a stain blocker and a sealer. We needed a sealer because the walls next to the windowsills, they were in bad nick. So if you didn't put the sealer on it, you'd sometimes get that funny kind of, you know, paints, they will dry at different kind of things. So you'll get a lighter and a darker kind of shades to it. So you would notice that. So that's why we always use the sealer. And also we used the prime blocker on the actual window frame as well, just to block out all the bits of, what's it called? Polyfiller and all that, because the mother windows, you see the state of them in the other video, they're in bad nick. So we also used then the Professionals undercoat gloss, Johnson's, brilliant stuff. It's like it's real sticky, treacly like paint. So you know, be sparing because it's expensive as well. So you can't be just you know, using that stuff off the cuff, mate. You know what I mean? But that stuff was really good as well. Covered every blemish, every polyfiller. You couldn't see nothing after that. And then after we used the Professional gloss, Johnson's again. Just give it a real nice silky kind of feel to it. And it's a real good gloss, that stuff. Good stuff with this stuff is it doesn't smell. You can smell it for about an hour and then it leaves. Even if you ain't got windows open, that's how good it is. So give that a go. I advise anyone to give it a shot. There's no place in London that hasn't got beat up window frames. Get yourself some polyfiller, give it a crack, mate, you know what I mean? There's no worse you can do to them, so give them a try. My name's Brian Joe, please like and subscribe. Much appreciated. Right, this is an office paint up quickly. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a primer. What we've done is patched up all the walls, put some stain blocker on, just some real blocker. There's some real kind of stubborn wet stains because it's an old building and there's a roof just above it that leaks. So that's all been patched up. That's all been, had a primer on it. So that's all going to get painted. Ceiling going to get painted. Getting painted. And again, that's all been patched up, filled. So that was quite rough looking. Going on really well. This stuff's going on. It's good, it's treacle like, but it's good. Covers up all blemishes and stuff. This stuff, really good stuff. If you've got really big thick skirtings, it's trunking where wiring for offices in there and all that stuff goes through. They get marked up really bad because a lot of people sit around them when they're drinking coffee and all that. It gets marked up, scuffed up people's boots and all that. This stuff here, Johnson's Professional undercoat, it's brilliant. It covers everything. It covers up. It's thick. Consistency is thick, so it don't run either. So it don't leave any drips. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to keep going over it. So brilliant stuff. Painting big skirtings. That's what you want to get. You want to get some of that stuff.